Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a text file to PDF on Windows, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. We're not going to be using any extra software that has not been pre-installed on your Windows. Okay, this is the Notepad app. It comes with your Windows. Every Windows has it. Even the oldest ones have it, guys. So this is really easy and simple. Let's say this is the text file, okay? This, I want to convert this into a PDF. Guys, how do you do this? Really easy and simple. I'm going to show you just how you do it. So you come here, click on File, okay? And instead of clicking on Save As, don't do this, okay? I want you to click on Print, okay? Hear me out, hear me out. Click on Print, and now once this loads up, you're going to see the different printing options, okay? Adobe PDF, Fax. Okay, of course you can connect a printer to this, but what I want to do is click on this one. Microsoft Print to PDF, okay? Click on this, and I want you to just click here. Click on Print. Okay, then it's going to ask us to set a file name. I will set, okay, pet entrepreneurship. I messed that spelling up. Entrepreneurship, okay? Petpreneurship. And I'm going to show you that it actually works, okay? I just set this as a PDF. The text file is now converting to a PDF. Well, it says printing, but it has converted to a PDF. All right, here we go, guys. This is it. So I'm going to open this in my browser to view this and show you guys. Look at this, guys. The text file literally turned into a PDF. It is so simple, guys. In just a few clicks, like this, you have turned your text file into a PDF, guys. Actually, really easy and simple. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, guys, if you want, you can always subscribe.